I wanted to go over the grading for the narrative film short. Each faculty member will have a little bit different breakdown of the way the points will be spread out over this project, but I wanted to go over what items needed to be turned in for the project and what is expected of the project that you complete for the narrative film short. So you're going to see that you have a startup sheet. It's going to be in Blackboard. It's similar to the startup sheet that you have done on previous projects. You will either download that project, print it out, and write in your response, or you can type it in the Word document, save it, and send it to me for grading. Your script is going to be using the Hollywood format scripting. We went over it in the narrative lecture that you watched before you went to the project here. You will follow that scripting format. You will find the script example also in Blackboard. It's the same one that's in the video lecture, but you can refer to that paper example when putting together your script. Now, people do their scripts different ways. Some people will not have dialogue between the talents. It's more of a there's music or there's voiceover. So if there's going to be doing that and you're not going to have any conversation, you're going to need to read out an aesthetic treatment describing what's going on in the film if your characters aren't going to be having dialogue back and forth. And I think a good example of that type of project that I'm talking about is the murder mishap example, where there was no dialogue, it was music, and it was taking a look at text on the screen. So that they wrote out an aesthetic treatment explaining exactly how the layout of the film would go. Now, the other ones did have scripts that you viewed, and they did submit the regular Hollywood format script for that. Storyboard, you'll have sheets in Blackboard that you can use. They're the ones that we've used throughout the semester, and you will storyboard every shot that's used for your final film. Location list, shot sheet, shooting schedule, and prop list. The props that are needed, the shooting schedule, the days that you plan on shooting, the location, and then the list of shots that you need to get at each of those locations. Log will be done in the post-production phase after you get all of your shots completed. And then when the project is complete, you'll turn in a critique. So now we're going to move on to page 2 and explain what your project is going to be about. It is a narrative. The points are actually out of 230. Again, each faculty member has a different point system. You will create a 2 to 5 minute narrative short film, and you're going to need to develop the idea, plan for the shoot, which you're going to be doing pre-production. You're going to shoot, which is the production phase, and then you'll go into editing, which is the post-production phase. Now, each person, or if you're in a group, is responsible for a 3 to 5 minute project, and you will act out the crew and the cast in the film. Now, if you need more cast members, you can use outside talent for this project. You are going to do either a quest or a chase. So you're going to make a story about one person trying to achieve or get something, or one person overcoming obstacles in his or her way. A chase is making a story about one person chasing or being chased by someone or something. So all the examples that you were able to take a look at by past students either are quest or are chase scenes. So I'm going to let you now enter the pre-production phase, and you will put together your pre-production packet. The pre-production packet needs to be done before the production can start of the shooting. If you have any questions, please reach out to me and I can help you along with this. Thank you.